Let's walk through how easy it is to manage your team in the NotaryLive Business Dashboard, whether you're adding new users or organizing your departments. Take a look at the menu on the left-hand side. From there, go to Users. Here's where you'll manage everyone on your account. If you're adding someone new, just click Add Users. A simple form will pop up. Just fill in their basic information like name and email. Next, you can assign them to a specific department if you've already created one. Not only does this keep things organized, but it makes it easy to track who's doing what. Then, set their role, whether they're an admin, a viewer, or anything in between. Once you're all set, hit Send Invitation, and they'll receive an invite to join your workspace. Now, let's talk about departments. Here you'll be able to view any existing departments along with the users already assigned to them. Want to create a new one? Just click Create Department. Give it a name that makes sense for your team, and you're done. It's that simple. With just a few clicks, you're fully set up to manage your users and departments efficiently, making collaboration smoother and more organized for your business.